Beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Sorry about the ring light, but you know I need the lighting. I took some extra time to do my look today. I was trying to go for like a vibe. I guess I just feel very spring-like, and I'm also really inspired by the new palette that I got. And I will try to leave some stuff. If there's anything you like, I'll try to leave some details and links for stuff in the description box. But today's video is very fun because we have a Bath & Body Works haul. This is stuff that I bought online, and it's all pink stuff, so I thought I'd get all pinked out for the kind of theme of the video. So yeah, I'm really excited to get started. Let's get into these boxes. I'm so excited. All right, so let's start with the first box because I don't know what they separated or what. Okay, so in here we have 2 candles, and all these candles are like pink themed. Crushed candy cane. Love the packaging. It's pink and white. I love the little polar bears, and I feel like this is good for, obviously it's a Christmas like themed candle. This works for just winter in general, and I personally love minty smells, so this is one of my faves. This one and the peppermint, crushed peppermint, what is it called? I have one burning right now. Those are my, like that one, the peppermint one is my absolute favorite Bath & Body Works candle for the winter. So I love this one too. This one smells like that one, but this one smells more like candy cane. The other one smells pepperminty. This one is sweet like candy. Like it actually smells like candy cane. So it's a really nice, delicious candle to burn during the winter time because it kind of gives like that cozy, wintry vibe. Okay, next is another one that's pretty Christmassy as well, but the packaging is so cute, and I really enjoyed this one this year. I think this was the first time I bought this one this past Christmas. This is the Merry Cookie. This one is fresh baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals, rich vanilla, and essential oils. So it's literally just like cookies, but it has like the most delicious, like sweet cookie dough scent. Like it actually smells like cookie dough more than cookies. Like it smells like the dough before you bake it. And the packaging is so cute. It has like this little winter wonderland look to it with a little gingerbread house, and it's so pretty, and the aesthetic of the packaging is so gorgeous. I absolutely love when this one is burning. All right, let's get into the next box, or the second box, the last box. This one has the bulk of the order. So we have another 3-wick candle. Like I said, they were on sale. This one is Palo Santo. I believe I tried to get 2 of these, but they only sent 1, so maybe they sold out. But I'm so excited for this one. I don't know if, I guess this is a Christmas one that they came out with. I didn't see it when I first did my Christmas candle shopping for the season. Like this little winter wonderland kind of vibe, and this like metallic Christmas night kind of look to it. Okay, the scent is not really there for me. I actually have Palo Santo that I burn, like actually burn the Palo Santo in my house. I love the way it smells, and it's supposed to help like keep negative energy away. And I feel like my life has been more positive since I started burning it. Every time I burn it, I say no negative energy is welcome here. We only welcome positive energy, and I say like affirmations. So I don't know if it's maybe a placebo effect, but it has been working for me in my opinion. I'll leave my favorite, the one that I burn, in the description. I get it from Amazon. It's really affordable as well. So I was excited for this candle because then, you know, I could have more of that scent, but I don't smell it. It smells like Palo Santo, but it's like Palo Santo mixed with like funeral home, but I like that smell. I know that sounds so bad, but I like the funeral home smell. This is Palo Santo wood, amber, musk. Yeah, I think I'm getting the musk really strong in this. Next, I got some of the baby candles because these they had in the ones that I wanted. The 3 wicks were sold out, but they had some of the smaller ones. So I got one of the small ones of Merry Cookie. Look at the packaging on the small version. How pretty is that? It's like gold with Christmas trees and gingerbread. It's so pretty. So these are really good for like your kitchen, your bedroom, bathroom. I never really buy the small candles, but I love having candles everywhere, and sometimes you want to put one little something somewhere. So these were on sale, so I thought I'd grab a couple. I might keep this one for next Christmas, but until then we'll see. All right, I got another single wick candle. Again, they were super cheap. This one is champagne toast. I wanted to get a bunch of the 3 wick of the champagne, and they didn't have them. They sold out so fast. Oh, it smells so good. I wanted to get a bunch of them, and I was not about to pay full price because they had like the Christmas packaging, and then they had regular packaging. The regular packaging was the regular price, but the Christmas packaging was on sale, so of course the Christmas one sold out. It smells really, really good. So this is the, like I said, single wick, and this scent is, oh, it doesn't have the scent on the bottom like it does with the big one. Well, that's not fair. Yeah, so the champagne toast really does smell like champagnes. It smells like champagnes and strawberry, champagne and strawberries. It smells really yummy, and it's so pretty, and it's pink. Of course, everyone wants the pink candles. I wanted to get a bunch of them. This does have the Christmas packaging, but it's still so pretty and girly. I feel like you could get away with using these until, you know, Valentine's Day. So if you can grab some, definitely do. I will definitely try to stop in a store and see if I can get some of the 3 wicks. But yeah, definitely going to be buying more of these because I want to try different scents. And this is one that everyone loves. Everyone talks about it. I've never burned them. I've only smelled them in stores. So I'm excited to see like if it fills the room, if there's a specific reason why everyone loves it so much. Besides the fact that it's pink and us girls are basic AF. Okay, last 2 things are not candles. I wanted to try some other stuff from Bath & Body that were pink and cute. So I picked this up. It was also on sale. This is the Champagne Toast Diamond Shimmer Mist. So back in the day, you guys remember when Victoria's Secret and all these places would have like these body glitter sprays. I was one of those girls who was obsessed with those. I mean, look at the glitter and the shimmer in this. I was obsessed with those. But then once I got older, you know, 17, 18, 19, into my 20s, I started wearing luxury perfume, and I kind of moved away from body sprays, and I moved away from like the glitter and all that, and I was like, I'm mature now. Okay, well, and I'm immature again. I want to wear glitter. I want to live my best life. I want to feel like a young, just adorable little girl again, but in a grown way. And I want to embrace my girliness because I feel like social media really like changes you, and it makes you think you have to live up to this certain standard. And I saw so many influencers wearing only beige, and I thought that I had to only wear beige. And I do love beige, and I love a good earthy moment, but I'm also a girly girl, and I want to embrace that again and just be myself. So all of that to say, I got this because I wanted to see how it smelled, and I thought it looked so pretty. I'm gonna spray it on my hand to see if I can show you guys the glitter inside. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. I actually like it more than the candle. It smells really fresh, really yummy. And there's actually a decent amount of glitter in there. I don't know if you guys can really see, but look at the glitter. There's actually a good amount of glitter. So I definitely could see myself using this in the spring and summer when I'm showing a little something something. Spray this all over your legs, you know, just use it as like a body glitter slash perfume. It actually smells really good. It says it's bubbling champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. So I'm guessing those are the same notes as the candle. I really get the tangerine in there and the champagne. The tangerine really pops in this one. I feel like the champagne pops more in the candle. It smells delicious. Alright, and the last cute little girly pink item that I picked up is this little makeup pouch or travel pouch. It's just a really cute, simple little pouch. You could get something like this at Forever 21, H&M, you know, Forever 21, maybe even Amazon. But this one is really pretty big. Like, I feel like I could carry all of my makeup for travel in this one little bag. And I love the pink holographic vibe. It's so, so cute. And it's like that nice, like, plasticky kind of material that's easy to clean. It has a white zipper. And it's pretty big. And this, I think, was also on sale. If I remember correctly, I think this one was also on sale, but regularly it's only $12.50, so it's cheap no matter what, which I think is a really nice price. Like I said, a lot of space in here. Let me show you. Look, you can fit an entire 3-wick candle in there. This could be a really cute gift too if you give someone some candles in the little bag. I put a 3-wick and a 1, just so you guys can see how big this little pouch is. It's pretty big. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more pink and girly hauls. I love pink. I love little girly cute crap, and most of the time, like, I buy stuff and I just show you guys on stories, but I never do like hauls anymore. But I want to get back into showing you cute stuff and giving you inspo and just making fun videos just for the fun of it. Let me know if you enjoyed this in the comments. Leave a like, leave a comment, and definitely go check out my other videos. I would really appreciate the love if you could just give it a like, a view, a comment on my old videos. I would really appreciate it. You know, it's hard. There's so much competition out here, and I'm not begging, but I'm begging. But you know, it's difficult when you've been on YouTube for a long time and there's so much competition and your videos aren't getting views anymore, and it's like, what am I doing wrong? So definitely give me feedback. Let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm here for you guys. So if you could just show some love to my other videos, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm almost at 100K on TikTok again, so I would really appreciate a follow there. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay glam, and I'll see you in the next one.